Hi viewers, Manoj Shipon here. In this tutorial I will show you best free plugins and add-ons for Elementor Page Builder. You know very well what is Elementor. For nowadays, Elementor is the best plugin for WordPress web design. First time you have to install Elementor. I have already installed Elementor. I am showing you how you will install Elementor. You have to go to plugins, add new, and you have to search here Elementor, and you will get this plugin Elementor Page Builder by elementor.com. This is free version, and with this plugin you can design your website like a professional web designer. Just you have to install this plugin and you have to activate this plugin. I have already activated this plugin. Just I am showing you how you can design a page with this plugin. Let's say pages, add new. I am designing a test page. I am giving my Bangla channel name link Bhai Shipon, VAISHIPON. This is also my Skype ID. Let's publish. Default template, we can choose here from template. Suppose I am choosing here Elementor Canvas. Publish. Now if I click here edit with Elementor, or if you click here edit with Elementor, you will get all the element here, free elements. You know very well with this element you can design a nice page. Any kinds of page you can design with these elements. Just you have to take columns. Suppose I need one column. Just I am showing you, and here I am clicking for elements. You can drag any element here and you can design with this. Suppose just I am showing you, you need a video, click and drag it to the column. In this way you can design your pages. Just click and drag. It's very easy. Anybody can do this type of design without any coding knowledge, without any web design idea, with WordPress and Elementor. Okay, I am deleting this one. Now you will see how we can install free plugins and add-ons for WordPress. I am going to WordPress admin panel. First time we will see Elements Kit, Elementor add-ons, and if I go to plugins, add new, you have to search here this one, Elements Kit, Elementor add-ons by WPMate. Okay, install it and activate the plugin. I deactivated the plugin because I want to show you now we are designing this page. Now only Elementor is active, and we are seeing here only two buttons, plus button for column and this folder button for blocks. From here we can use any blocks, any types of blocks like header, footer, pages. There is some pre-made pages, some are free and some are paid. Suppose this one is paid. Here is showing GoPro, this one is showing insert, this one is free. Okay, and here is my template. You can save templates and you can use any templates, any page, any templates with any page with this template option. Now if we activate this plugin Elements Kit, and if we refresh editing page, see here is another button, and this button comes here for this plugin. And if I click here, see here is a lot of options: ready pages, agency, medical, business, and you can use for your web design. Headers, you will get a lot of pre-made header and you can use these headers to your website, and footers as well, as you can use footers, sections, you can use a lot of pre-made sections. And with this plugin you can insert header, footer, section, which is not possible regular free Elementor version. When you will use this element kits and add-ons, you will get this option like Elementor Pro version. You can use header and footer option. Okay, this was our first plugin. Now the second plugin is, I am showing you Wonder WP, and if I click here plugins, add new, you have to search here 1.wp, and you have to install this plugin 1.wp by ArtBiz. I am installing this plugin. Okay, first time I am not activating the plugin. I am showing you the regular design option, regular Elementor design option. Suppose I am taking a column, and if I take an icon here, let me show you another way. Suppose if I take an icon here, now you can change this icon from style option. But if I activate this plugin and refresh the page, I am clicking update, and if I refreshing the page, if I select this icon, now you will get this option presets, and from here you can set any presets, you can use any presets from here. Now I think you clear how important this plugin for Elementor website design. Suppose if I take a icon box, see, and if I use presets, wow, suppose you want to work with button, I am taking a column, and I am taking a button element from here, and we'll get this option, presets option for 1.wp plugin. If I click here, see, a lot of pre-made button design you can use from here, and you can customize it, and you can save this button for future use. Suppose if we see counter, suppose I am taking this icon, see, suppose I am taking this counter, and if you click here, you can choose any design, any preset pre-made design from here. This is a wonderful plugin for Elementor website design, 1.wp update, and this was the second plugin for my list. Now I will show you another plugin, third plugin for Elementor website design. Just go to plugins, add new, and search here happy add-ons, and this is the plugin happy add-ons for Elementor. You have to install this plugin and activate the plugin. And now if we refresh the page, and you know very well, here you will get all elements. I am minimizing the elements, and here is the happy add-ons which we activated just now. Just let me show you. You will get a lot of pre-made design with happy add-ons. Just let me show you. Preview. With this plugin you will get a lot of pre-made elements you can use for your design. And our fourth plugin is Live Mesh add-on. Let's install the plugin. Just go to the plugins, add new, and if you search here Live Mesh add-ons, you will get this plugin, Live Mesh add-ons for Elementor. Just install the plugin and activate the plugin. Skip. Now if we refresh our page, editing page, and if I go here, and here is the Live Mesh add-ons, just we have activated the plugin, and you can use these elements from here. Suppose clients, post grid, you will get some extra function with this plugin. And our fifth plugin is premium add-on. Just go to plugins, add new, and search for premium add-ons, and you will get this add-ons, premium add-ons for Elementor by Lib13. Just install the plugin and activate the plugin. Now if we refresh our editing page, and you will get this button, premium templates, and from here you can use some premium templates with this plugin or add-ons, and here you will get some add-ons with this plugin. You can use it from here. You will get a lot of useful elements from here. And our sixth plugin is essential plugin on this list. Let's go to plugins, add new, and search the plugin essential add-ons, and you will get this plugin essential add-ons for Elementor by WP Developer. Just install the plugin and activate the plugin. Now if we refresh our editing page, and if you see on left side for elements, and you will get this extra widgets for your website design. You will get a lot of useful design, pre-made widgets with this plugin. And now I think you know you can make a professional website with free Elementor version and with these plugins. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.